Hello students, on previous turn we have seen taproot and adventitious roots. Now we will see modifications of roots. Modifications of root. But before that we will revise that what are the functions of root. I told you about the functions of roots, that roots have mainly two functions. Roots perform two functions which are important for them. They mainly perform two functions. The first is they hold the plant very tightly in soil. Roots hold the plant very tightly in soil and give support to the plant. First important function. And the second main function is that they absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots absorb water and mineral from the soil and give it to the plant parts. Now what are minerals? Students, minerals are some chemicals which are present in soil like sodium, magnesium, potassium, zinc, phosphorus. You will study about these chemicals in chemistry. So these are some minerals which are present in soil, and they are, because they are important for the growth of plant body, these minerals, these chemicals are important for the plant. That's why roots absorb them from soil. Okay, so the first main function is roots tightly hold the plant in soil, and the second main function is roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Now what is the modifications of roots? Students, roots have mainly two functions, but when roots perform more functions with these main functions, means they will perform these main functions also, means they will hold the plant tightly in the soil, they will absorb the water and mineral also, but with this they will perform some more function. When they will perform some more function, then this is called modification of roots. Means roots are little bit changed, little bit in roots there is little bit change, they will be modified to perform some more functions, right? Now what other functions roots can perform? Their main functions are two, we have seen, but with that main function they can perform these functions also. Okay, and when roots are modified, roots are changed to perform these functions also, then this is called modification in roots. Yeah, modifications of roots. Now the first function they can perform, they can store food also. With holding the plant tightly in soil and absorbing water and mineral, what they can do, they can store food also. In roots food can also be stored. Okay, so it is the first function. The next, providing support to plant body. Sometimes the stem of the plant is not much stronger. Okay, sometimes the stem is not much strong to give support to the plant. In that case, some plants have strong, very strong roots, and these roots provide them support. So they can provide support also, they can store food also. These are extra functions of the roots. Okay, they can help in respiration also. Roots can help in respiration also. We will see how. We will see all these functions in detail. The next, they can absorb water also from atmosphere. They can fix nitrogen also, means they help in nitrogen fixation also. What is this? We will study in detail. And they can absorb nutrients also. Okay, so these are the extra functions which roots can perform. Now the first we will see storage of food. So students, the first function of the root is storage of food. Now first extra function. Now tap roots can also store food, and adventitious roots or fibrous roots can also store food, right? Now first we will see tap root. You all know that carrot, turnip, radish, these are the examples of tap root. See, there is a one thick long root in the mid, and small hairs like secondary and tertiary roots arises from this main primary root. In radish also, in turnip also. So these are the examples of tap roots. Now we eat these roots. Carrot we eat, right? Turnip also we eat, radish also. So we eat these roots. Why we eat these roots, students? Because the food in these plants, in carrot, turnip and radish plants, the food which is formed by the plant in the process of photosynthesis, the food which is formed by the plant, that food is stored in these roots. That's why these roots are thick and swollen. See, carrot also is swollen, turnip also, radish also, right? So when in these primary roots, in the primary root of tap roots, when the food is stored, they get swollen, okay, and this stored food we eat, right, as in a form of vegetables. So these are the tap roots which modified to store food. They will perform those two main functions also, but with that they will perform storage of food also. Now adventitious root. Sweet potato is example of adventitious root. Dahlia's roots also adventitious roots. And arrowroot. What is arrowroot? Students, in Hindi arrowroot is called arrowroot. Okay, arrowroot. In Hindi it is called arrowroot. So these are adventitious or fibrous roots, and they also store food. That's why you can see that these roots are swollen. These are not fruits, these are not stems, these are roots. In same way, carrot, turnip and radish are also roots which stores food, and because these roots stores food, we eat them. Now the next, they provide support to the plant. Students, in some plants their stem is very weak. For example, sugarcane. In sugarcane their stem is very weak. Their stem cannot give support to whole plant. That's why in these plants some roots grows at the lower part of the stem. You can see the image. At the lower part of at the base of the stem, some root grows at an angle, means obliquely. Okay, in this way, obliquely. See, okay. So these oblique roots are called, which are found in sugarcane or maize. These roots are called stilt roots. These roots are called stilt roots. So they provide support to the plant because their stem is weak. Stem cannot give support. That's why they rope-like roots grow at the base of the stem, and they provide support. This example, sugarcane and maize. The next is prop roots. In some plants like banyan tree, the tree is very heavy. So the stem is not much enough to give support. They need more support because the tree is very heavy. That's why the roots grows from the branches. See, from the branches root grows towards the downward. These are the roots which are hanging. These are these things which are hanging from the branches. These are the roots in the banyan tree. These roots are called prop roots. They are pillar-like. They stand pillar-like and they give support to the heavy plant. Now these prop roots and stilt roots. Prop roots give much support in comparison to stilt roots. These stilt roots give little less support than the prop roots. These prop roots are very strong. In same way, in money plants also, the roots help the plant in climbing. With the help of roots, the plant of money plant climbs on a wall or on a support and grow. Now the next modifications we will see in next video. Thank you.